warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We from group 2 will make plain bread stew. My name is Muhammad Barusin Zaini.
My name is Siska Mardianing Tias.
My name is Rapalina Dalia Puspitasari.
My name is Siti Ayu Ridaya.
Let's check it out. 500 milliliters of liquid milk in the pan. Step 2, then add 14 grams of sweetened condensed milk. Step 3, then add the pandan leaves and 4 tablespoons of sugar. Step 5, then stir. Step 4, then add 2 packs of instant coconut milk. Step 5, then stir until well blended. Step 6, prepare 2 tablespoons of concentrate. Dissolve it in 15 milliliters of water. Then stir until well blended. Then set aside first. Step 7, then cook until it boils. Step 8, put the melted concentrate into the boiling mixture, then stir until it thickens. Step 9, after that, turn off the stove, then move the dough into a container. Step 10, then put 2 pieces of bread into a plastic cup, then pat the dough into the plastic cup. Step 11, give topping, then put in the refrigerator.
Wait.
The delicious plain bread stew is ready to serve.